Hey guys, it's Sarah from The Simple Life of Sarah. For this week's video, I'm building the LEGO Friends Nature Glamping set 41392. It has 241 pieces and was released January 1st, 2020. So let's get building. So let's start opening the box. Here it is. You can open the two flaps on the side. And then we'll see how many bags there are. Okay. So let's see what we have inside. Bag number 1, the instruction manual with a piece of cardboard, a base plate, and bag 2. So let's get started. So this is what we built in bag 1. We built a little tree that has a hot tub. And even inside the hot tub, it has some little cushions or pool floaties. It has a speaker on one side, a basket, drink containers, and a super cute tree with a little squirrel inside. We also built a little fire pit, or they can roast marshmallows or burn marshmallows like what Olivia did. It also has a little telescope. I thought that was super cute. Then we have our two figures, Mia and Olivia. Olivia's even holding some burnt marshmallows. That's too bad. We have a red bicycle that comes on with a blue helmet. Here it is on Mia. There we go. Safety first. The last thing we have is a little hangout spot. We have some cushions that even have a super cute moose design on it. Like I would use this for a pillow. And then we have a green apple sitting on a little log. I guess that's their dining area. So that was it for bag 1. Time for bag 2. So this is the final product, the LEGO Friends Nature Glamping set. So in bag 2, I built the little tent, and it is super cute. So if I take this off so I can show you, this is what it looks like. It has 2 beds on the inside, and a skylight. And on the back, you can access the things in the chest. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. The top piece is plastic. So this is what it looks like from the top. It has 2 beds and a cute little chest. And this is what supports it on the top. Then you can just fold them all back in. Oops, I just broke something. Oopsie. One second here. Sorry about this. I didn't push down a brick hard enough. Sorry about that. Okay, so that is the tent. And also you get a garland. It's just a little string light that hooks from the tree that I showed you in the beginning to the tent. Here it is. This is the LEGO Friends Nature Glamping Set. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see for next week's video. Until then, bye guys!